Hello, let's learn how to use the word prediction tool in Helperbird. Go to Writing Tools. Click this arrow to open up your tool options. Next to word prediction, click the toggle to turn word prediction to on. Select which language you will be typing in. And notice at the bottom of the page, as you're typing, predicted words will appear. It updates as you type in real time. And you can have any of the predicted words read aloud to you by clicking on this audio symbol next to the word.
Symbol.
When you find a predicted word that you would like to choose, simply click on the word, and this word will be updated in the area you were typing. And that is how you use the word prediction features in Helperbird. Happy typing!